Automatic palletizer is a high-tech product integrating machinery and electricity. Medium and low-level palletizers can meet the production needs of medium and low output. According to the required marshalling method and number of layers, the palletizers can complete the palletizing of various products such as bags, rubber blocks, boxes, etc. The optimized design makes the pallet shape compact and neat. Structural features: medium and low-level palletizers are mainly composed of flattening conveyors, slow-stop conveyors, transfer conveyors, pallet warehouses, pallet conveyors, marshalling machines, bag pushers, palletizing devices, and pallet conveyors. Its structural design is optimized and the movement is stable and reliable. The palletizing process is fully automatic and does not require manual intervention during normal operation.